Hey everybody, it's your Carolina chiropractor, Dr. Wes Richardson here with the man himself, Earl Dion's. I know Earl from Jiu-Jitsu. Earl is a brown belt. And if you know anything about Jiu-Jitsu, typically when you hit purple belt and above, you are an expert. You're considered an expert. So we've got a Jiu-Jitsu expert here. And he's got a little bit of left shoulder pain going on. I'm going to be looking at that. And other than that, just giving him a tune-up. So, yep, here we go. All right, Mr. Earl. Go face down. Okay. Here we go. Right, yeah. There you go. When's the last time you were adjusted, Earl?
It's been about 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did the shoulder?
That's been about a week. Dr. Wes.
And you're rolling tonight, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we gotta get Earl tuned up for to roll tonight. And yeah, if you know, scoot up a little bit, Earl. Yeah, there you go. If you know anything about Jiu-Jitsu, it's really difficult on your body. So it behooves people to get adjusted, to get a tune-up every once in a while. And really, if you don't, you know, you'll accrue different injuries and pains just along the way. It's kind of a part of the sport. How many injuries do you think you've had, Earl?
Oh, countless over the years.
Yeah.
If it's not one thing, it's the next thing. From knee injuries to shoulder to neck, to ankles. But I still believe it's the fountain of youth, though.
Oh yeah, it's like you do have injuries, but overall your body becomes more durable.
Yeah, your mental, you know, the whole mental wellness part of it.
Oh yeah, man, for sure. Earl is also a bit of a local hero because he is a teacher and he works with special needs kids. So that in and of itself can be high stress, but he deals with it like a champion.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah. Deep breath here, Earl. Let it out. Deep breath. Let it go. Nice and easy, good. Deep breath again. Let it go. I'm going to rotate your head here, Earl. Just relax. Looks good. Earl, let's hop up and go over to the other table, okay?
Okay.
This is the first time Earl's ever had the ring dinger. I'm excited because with Jiu-Jitsu and any contact sport like that, you have a lot of compression that happens in your spine. And this is the most hardcore, the best way to decompress your spine that there is. So Earl, I'm going to use pins and pin in your hip.
Okay.
You just relax your legs. Scoot down this way just a little bit. And these will be a little tight.
Okay.
But it shouldn't be too bad. Put your hands on your tummy. There you go. You okay there?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty tight, right?
Yeah, that's snug. That's snug. Okay.
It's supposed to be. The tighter the better, really. Just trying to keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath. And relax. Wiggle your left big toe. Feel that all the way down?
All the way down.
All the way to the lumbars?
Yeah.
Good, man. Take a deep breath. Good. Still kicking. Still got your reflexes. Raise your head a little bit.
Feels like a dopamine release.
Put your head back down.
Okay.
Relax your right shoulder. There you
Oh.
go. Good. Doesn't want to cooperate with us today. Where'd you feel that one most, Earl? Down in the lumbar?
Yeah, I felt it down. Well, yeah, it started from the neck,
Yeah.
and then it went down all the way down to the back.
Very good. Have you ever been adjusted like that before?
No, never.
Yeah. Feel different, huh?
That was awesome. Yeah, that's incredible.
Alright. Scoot back just a little bit. You want to adjust your shoulders here?
Okay.
Just relax. There you go. You have your whole arm here. There it is. It's a big one. That's your right shoulder too.
Yeah.
Relax it. One I need to do good. Alright. Mr. Earl, stand right here, head behind your hip. You might decompress it again like this, okay? Alright. Take a deep breath. Pinch your elbows together.
Oh, yeah.
Good, man. And go face up here.
Face up?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. So that decompresses your spine. This will decompress your ankles and your hips potentially, and maybe you might feel it in your low back too. Okay.
Okay.
Put your hands on your tummy like this. Yeah, just to be relaxed. Relax your hip.
Oh.
Feel that in your hip.
Oh yeah.
Good. Alright. Give yourself a hug.
How about the legs? They stay that
Yeah,
way?
they're good.
Okay.
Take a deep breath. Let it go. Good. Feel that one?
Oh yeah.
Good. Alright, Earl. You're good to go, man.
All set?
That's great too.
All
How's
right.
the shoulder feel?
Thank you, Douglas. Feels
You
good.
too.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Feels good. Yeah.
Feel a little taller?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Good, man.
Almost eye level with you.
There you go. Alright, guys, we appreciate it. God
Thank you.
bless. Y'all take care.